My name is Lauren Clay. I'm an artist who makes sculpture and installation. This is my exhibition, Phantom Stair, at the Roswell Museum. I'm really interested in creating an illusion where the viewer feels like they could actually enter the space, a space that might not be there, and sometimes that alludes metaphorically to the psyche or the unconscious or some other transcendent space. I'm really interested in the writings of Carl Jung and how he used dream analysis in his work with his patients. There's one important early dream that Jung had that helped him form his ideas about the collective unconscious. And in that dream, he's at the top floor of a house, a Rococo-style house, and as he descends down the stairwell, it's like a medieval-style house, and as he goes down a little lower, and it's Roman, and then he goes down to an even lower level, and it's a cave. And in the bottom floor, there are human bones and shards of pottery. Jung decided that this dream showed that not only is the house, this architectural form of the house, is a symbol of the dreamer's psyche, but also it's a symbol of the collective unconscious. In my work for a long time, I've referenced architecture. And I think it's been a slow process to realize that over time that the architectural forms I was creating were images of the inner life or the psyche or the unknown. In my work, I've been sort of skirting this edge between painting and sculpture. My background is in painting, and I think my work really references painting in many ways, but I'm also really interested in the experience, the bodily experience of experiencing work, and that often results in creating work that is very physical. And I also think a lot about the viewer's point of view moving around the piece. I love to be in my studio. I mean, I spend most of my time thinking and drawing and also reading or listening to audiobooks. And I get really deep into my world, and I think that's like where my ideas come from. So I'm really protective of my little world that I make. I wanted to use some overt symbols, such as this idea of the axis mundi, which is like a pathway between heaven and earth, or the archway, a gateway type of portal, or a partition, a screen, something that divides one space from another space. Is also the world tree, which is really magical because it's like an idea that ties us all together. Like we're all one. Like we all come from the same origin. We're all going to the same place. Like we're all united. From a really early age, I was interested in the idea of like, where did I come from and who am I and what happens to me after I die? That's like been the eternal question. I think it's like the great mystery of life, and that's like what all of my work is about.